Open the cover and turn on the KRN1000 power switch. The red LED in the top left should be on. After the login screen, it goes to the run screen. During recording, the parameter cannot be changed. Press the red spot on the screen to stop recording. Touch stop. Recorder is returned to the run screen. The recording has stopped. The factory default is K-type. Here is how to change K-type to DPD 100 ohm of channel 1. Touch menu. Touch input channel info. Touch input display. Touch K-type. Touch DPD 100. Touch save and return to run screen. The input type of channel 1 has been changed DPD 100. Channel 1 shows 24.9 degree in normal. Here is how to change the K-type of channel to 24 to 20 mA. Touch menu. Touch input channel info. Touch input display. Touch right arrow to change channel 2. Touch K-type. Touch for to 20 mA. It is possible to change the low, high scale and display unit. Touch save and return to run screen. The input type of channel 2 has been changed for to 20 mA. When input type is for to 20 mA, please wire 250 ohm between B and small b. Input bias function is for error correction from input, not from this recorder. Here is a compensation of channel 1. Touch menu. After touching input channel info, select input option. After touching input bias 0.0, select 3 and then touch save. Return to the run screen. The degree 3 has been compensated. Channel skip is a function that does not display and record a specific channel. It shows only channel 1 and channel 2. Touch menu. Touch display. Touch group setting. Select group 1 and touch group 2. Set both channel 3 and channel 4 to none. Return to run screen. Touch group 1 and select group 2. Channel 3 and channel 4 have been deleted.